Normally when I go to bed, I read for a while before I turn out the lights. Then, when I'm ready to turn off the light, I have to go back out of bed, go across the room, and turn them off. But I thought, there's got to be a better way to do it. So I made this. At first, I thought about using a relay to bypass the light switch, but that's working with higher voltage than I'm really qualified to work with, so I decided to just use a servo to switch the light off manually, controlled with a remote. I have a remote for a drone that I didn't need, so I used that to control the light. But one of the problems was that the Arduino's 9-volt battery would die overnight if I didn't turn off the Arduino. But that requires getting up to disconnect the battery, which kind of defeats the purpose. But I thought of a way to get around this. I would solder a circuit with two ways to get power through to the Arduino. One would be a button, which I would push to start the Arduino, but the other path would be through a relay. As soon as the Arduino would turn on from my pushing the button, it would send power to the relay to keep the connection from the 9-volt battery running. Then I could release the button and the Arduino could just keep its own power source running. Then whenever I wanted to turn off the Arduino, I could just tell it to stop sending power to the relay, and this would cut off the connection from the 9-volt battery and kill the Arduino. The code is really simple, just 50 lines of code since the work was in the wiring, not the code. I made a frame out of an erector set and cardboard that attached to the light switch using the screw for the light switch cover, and here's the final result.